You looking forward to this task? No.
No, I actually am. I can't wait to use my muscles. Because they need a workout. How about you?
I'm excited.
Yeah. Let's do this!
Before I arrived at the bunker, I had a conversation with Ben on the phone, and I told him about my skills in woodwork, and he mentioned how he wanted to construct decking. When I arrived, there was a big pile of dirt and just a pile of old wooden planks full of screws. So I and a group of people, we spent a few hours stripping the wood and putting out rotten sections. I knew that it would take a lot of planning to utilise the space effectively. I have a lot of experience through home projects. When I was about 16, my granddad introduced me to woodwork and DIY, and I helped him with garden projects such as a soil storage box and a brick barbecue. And eventually I started doing projects at home, building tables, storage units. In January 2023, I started a full-time apprenticeship at a factory that built kitchen cabinets. I began as an assembler. Over time, my quality of work increased and my speed until it all became second nature. It was a fast-paced environment where I had to learn how to read customer job sheets and how to build units fast and effectively. I worked there for 2 years and became a qualified level 2 furniture manufacturer. I left that job at the end of January 2025 in order to go travelling and volunteering.
Got to phase 1 complete.
Yeah, phase 1 about
50.
When it came to planning the deck, the first step was to measure the area and work out the dimensions and how much wood would be needed. I had enough wooden planks, so Ben bought me some construction grade 220mm beams, which were really good quality, and I started drawing out a plan and working out the length of the beams and the spacing, and I had to work out the angles because the area is a trapezium shape. I wanted to utilise all of the available space. Building the frame was the easy part, but getting it into place was quite difficult. It took a big group of volunteers to help move it. I built it in 2 sections. It was difficult to move the big section, but we eventually managed it. There was a gigantic boulder right in the path of the deck. With some help, we drilled holes, used metal wedges to chip away chunks of rock. It made me feel useful, utilising my skills to create a communal social space where volunteers can hang out.
Do we all hail Sam Dutton? Yeah.
Is that phase 2 finished then, Sam?
Phase 2 started.
Sorry?
Started?
That's the start of phase 2.
Once the area was clear, I built the deck in the best part of a week. It allowed me to leave my mark on the bunker, and hopefully it'll be here in many years to come, and future volunteers will be able to sit out and enjoy it. After the deck was completed, I felt a little bit lost because I'd dedicated so much of my time to it. But I've since been able to work on other projects around the bunker, such as reinstalling concrete fence posts. More recently, we've been moving big rocks to create a fish pond up on the back hill. I enjoy being part of the community and living and working with others. I enjoyed building it because I prefer to be busy. I like to see projects progress and see how things unfold. Now that this project is complete, I would like to continue to work on projects that benefit the community and continue to work as part of a team.